got everything screwed in. All my screws are applied to the disk drive. Disk drive is back intact and everything. Okay, now what you're gonna do, plug in your black, plug in your white, and make sure that it's plugged in the right way. Don't plug it in upside down, or else this is not gonna work. If it fits in perfectly and you can hear it snap and everything, that means you did it right. Okay, now just reset this in here and then make sure it's really nice and snug. It has a designed place where it's supposed to fall in, you know, so make sure that's in there correctly. You'll be able to feel it, and if you do this and that, it'll feel solid. Okay, now you're going to take the top part. The top part is the larger of the two. It's the part with the HDMI on the back and the AV cables and everything. You want to throw that over. Sorry, let me get a better angle so you guys can see. So it's not this side with the barcode. Keep that in mind. You want to put the top over. And another way you could tell also is, wow, I put this on the wrong way. Okay. It is the side with this. It's the side with the metal back. Sorry, that was dumb. And use this side that has this big cutout here. Okay. And it's kind of difficult to get this back on there correctly. Make sure everything's nice and tight. There we go. Got it. Flip this back over because we're going to be screwing this in now. And you're going to want to put all of the screws back where they were last time. And so I won't show you guys me screwing them in, but I'll show you where they're supposed to drop. Here, here, there, 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 and where's the last one? Where's Waldo, huh? You know, this might actually, I had extras. This might even be an extra, because I know it doesn't go there. Okay, yeah, that was an extra. Alright, I'm going to screw these in, you guys. Okay, I've screwed it in. Everything's solid. And please, for the love of God, you guys, do not forget to put your eject button back. All you got to do is, it's very simple. You just push down this on this green part here. Make sure it's locked up with everything down here. Make sure if you push it, it'll click. After you've done that, before completely reassembling everything, make sure all the parts, just literally stand up and take a look at all of the parts that you have on the floor. And if it's not screwdrivers and stuff, and you see something that should be inside your Xbox, don't just go ahead and continue. Alright, now we are ready, and just put the back jacket back on. Make sure that these tabs under here are under and not over, and start pushing everything down. Push everything together. Turn this around. Push all these clips back. Okay, and we're not quite done yet. Just push it in right here. Just push it in and down. And, there we go. Snaps right in. Snaps right in. Alright, the top with the L shape on it. The gray part with the L shape on it, just to see how there's like a more elevated part here than here. That's going to be your top, because the bottom part is just flat all the way around. Okay, so the top part goes to the top. The part that has the elevated part goes to the front, where the disc tray and stuff are at. And just put it on. There we go. Everything snaps together just fine, then that means that you're good. Okay. Take this bottom part here, the part with the prongs that goes out further than that. See how that works? The part with the prongs that goes out goes towards the front. Okay, now we can take our Xbox 360 faceplate, reapply it here. Simple. Okay. And now we can put the hard drive back on. And now we're going to plug this in and prove that it works. Okay. There we go. Tray opens. Tray closes. Tray opens. Okay guys, that's the entire fix. I really hope that you guys found this helpful, and I really hope that this also fixed your Xbox 360. If you guys like Xbox 360 and computer repairs, then I am the guy to subscribe to. So if you like the video, please like it. It really helps out. If you guys are having an issue, please comment, and any suggestions or requests would be greatly accepted. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.